The former Botswana President Ian Khama says he received warnings from two non-government sources about an alleged assassination plot, which he believes traces back to Zimbabwe over his repeated condemnations of what he calls dictatorship and the recent constitutional amendment that says was crafted to entrench power for one individual. Sabida mashkobda panguwa ino chinokonzi Ian Khama's life panguwa ino is now at threat. Not by subscribe or like on the bell icon. Team Nam Namumba Invasions, according to Khama, the warnings he received corroborate reports of a secret visit by a top Zimbabwean intelligence official to Botswana earlier this week. The former president alleged that the Zimbabwean spy had meetings with his Botswana counterparts, during which a plot against him was discussed. In quotes, I was contacted by two sources with information that there is a plot by the government of Zimbabwe to kill me, Khama said. These sources have been trying to get in touch with me for some time, and it is not by coincidence that a top intelligence officer was in Botswana this week, where he met his counterparts. Khama stopped short of providing specific details about the alleged meeting or naming the intelligence officials involved, but suggested that Botswana's intelligence chief, Director General Peter Magosi, should be asked about the encounter. The former president linked the alleged threat directly to his repeated criticism of Zimbabwe's political developments, particularly the recent constitutional amendment that he says were designed to entrench power for one individual. Khama accused Zimbabwe's dictatorship of employing tactics copied from other African nations where leaders manipulate electoral processes to maintain power. He further argued that the constitutional amendment makes it impossible for people to choose a president for their choice by ensuring that parliamentary elections, which in turn elect the president, are conducted through a rigged process. Khama has a long history of speaking out against developments in Zimbabwe. In 2008, he famously harbored Morgan Tsvangirai, then leader of Movement of Democratic for Change, after the opposition figure fled Zimbabwe following death threat during the year's disputed elections against Robert Mugabe. Doma developments are kubuda panguwa ino. Pinakomesa kuchemeredza fundo iri muri kudipa musoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, and turn the bell icon.